All right, so here we are at one of my favorite places, FK Your Diet. It's not only an awesome restaurant, wonderful food, but if you didn't know, FK stands for Foster Kids. It's a charity that I support, didn't know much about it before I met the people here, and I know you're gonna fall in love not only with the food, but with the owners. So let's go in and get fat together. If it makes you happy, it's healthy. We're here at FK Your Diet with the owners, Doug and Amy, my favorite people. When I first fell upon this restaurant, we were going to the donut shop next door. It was closed. We had our two little boys. We came in the restaurant and Doug put them in the kitchen to make their own donuts. And ever since that time, that was probably 4 years ago. Yep. Yeah. So why don't you guys tell us how the restaurant got started?
So we started FK Your Diet 3.5 years ago. We did it because I love cooking. Amy did it because she loves me. And we decided to see if people liked what we were doing. When we opened up, we decided we wanted to use the restaurant to support the community, and a community that I came from was foster care. We opened up a little 40-seat diner and started cooking our food, the meals that we cook at home. And lo and behold, today, 3.5 years later, we're in Orlando, Cape Coral, Punta Gorda, Fort Myers. We have a food truck, Sunrise, so we got about 6 properties altogether. We take a portion of our revenue and we donate it back to help local foster kids. This month, we'll give away about 5,000 meals, supporting foster families, social workers. We also have about 2/3 of our staff is either disabled, foster kids, homeless. It's some phase in their life where they need a helping hand up, and so that's what FK Your Diet's all about.
So Doug was in the foster system, and that's why he has a huge heart for foster kids. Huge.
Every day we get a call from an agency where the kids have been taken out of their house. We have to run out and buy clothing, shoes, deodorant.
We can't do what we want to do without the support of our customers. And we do different events throughout the year that customers get involved around Christmas time, Thanksgiving. And Cindy's a great testimonial for just the community involvement. It's so heartwarming to see people like this to get involved and help out.
I want you guys all to like their Facebook page or Instagram, because you will learn more about foster kids and the foster care system.
Ron and Cindy do an amazing job for us and for the community. Anything we ever need, they're there, they help.
Thank you guys.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Biscuits and gravy. Yeah.
Take French toast. I'm gonna go cook.
All right, so I'm with Jeremiah, and he is the food truck guru for FK Your Diet. He started the food truck, right?
Yes.
Tell us, Jeremiah, what food is on the food truck most of the time?
World famous Philly cheesesteaks.
Yeah.
I didn't come up with that myself. Some random guy on Facebook said it was world famous, so we just roll with it. We try to have the biscuits and gravy because those are also world famous at the restaurant. Chicken Phillies, cheeseburger hoagies, the world famous cinnamon rolls. I guess just everything we have is world famous. So I'm just saying, just come find the food truck. Most of the time you can look for us on Facebook. That's usually where you can find our locations and where we're going to be at.
You can call them and hire them for any events.
39-789-7561.
Hey, Jakey, what's your favorite thing to make here?
Probably the breakfast burrito. It is so much fun watching it go out. It's like a 5-pound breakfast burrito. Looks like a football on a plate. And like when it comes out of the kitchen, it's like a fajita at a Mexican restaurant. Like everyone's head turns and like, wow, like that thing is awesome. There's something for everyone.
Jakey, how old are you?
I'm 24. And I'm also single. For the ladies. I'm the son of the founder. I own the Fort Myers location. You coming in and ordering your blueberry pancakes is like the reason why we're still in business. So, between our pancakes, our French toast, and our biscuits and gravy, Jakey style French toast, it's our second bestseller.
Named after Jake. So what's your favorite day here, Jake?
My favorite day is probably Sunday. I mean, we have an awesome crowd. They come in after church. It's super busy, line out the door. But I get to look out here and it's all colorful and everyone's smiling. People don't mind waiting a little bit longer, but it's just that environment, that community. It's great.
Sunday fun day.
Sunday fun day.
I especially love bringing all my friends here and family. Who wants to try my pancake? Leah, you gotta try his pancakes.
Amy, the owner, loves coffee, so it is something special. It's RCR coffee from Miami, Florida.
So ladies, how did you like FK Your Diet? Look at their to-go boxes. What does that mean?
Huge portions.
Yeah.
They're heavy too.
And they're heavy. Oh yeah. Wonderful. See ya.
Thank you so much. Love you. Have a great day.
See ya, Amy. Love you. Have a great day. Love you too.
There you have it, another great Southwest Florida hidden gem brought to you by
My Florida Happy Place. And if you like this, make sure you share it with all your friends so that they can learn about this hidden gem as well.
Don't forget to follow us on YouTube and Facebook for My Florida Happy Place and Hidden Gems of Southwest Florida.